You can see it happen. A tornado tore through a Minnesota home just seconds after two friends made a daring escape. Thanks for joining us today. That home is trashed, but thankfully those two ladies and the dogs are doing okay. One of the women told our Jeff Wagner she was actually glad she was home when the tornado hit Stewartville.
Sitting with a friend in her kitchen, Julia Batson kept an eye on the radar on her phone until their attention suddenly turned outside.
So as soon as the wind picked up, I'm like, I think we should go head downstairs.
As the women and the dogs hustle into the basement, a tornado is hurtling towards the home. We're showing you her surveillance footage in real time to emphasize how quickly things changed and how the decision to find safety would keep them from getting hurt or worse. A collapsed ceiling and shattered windows landing on the very spot where they sat 30 seconds earlier.
Like, if we didn't have the video footage, we would have never known how close we really were.
Go, over here, come on.
A basement camera shows the group rushing to the maintenance room.
As soon as we get in there, our ears just kind of popped. Like, the pressure felt really strong in the house.
The damage across the house was extensive. Despite that, Batson was grateful to be there. She and her friend were out to lunch, but came home after learning of the tornado warning.
Honestly, if we hadn't come home, I think our dogs would have been seriously injured, just because I know where they like to hang out by the window on the couch.
And that tornado was one of 5 that hit Minnesota Friday, a few days after another tornado outbreak. On average, there's 1 tornado in April in Minnesota. Across a year, the average is 46. Minnesota already has 9 tornadoes. And check out our neighbors to the east. Wisconsin and Michigan are running above average as well. Could it be connected to climate change? We asked WCCO Director of Meteorology, Mike Augustinak.
So I want to start by saying that there is no documented yet relationship between the number of tornadoes and how our climate is changing, warming. However, the conditions to get a tornado to form requires warm air and moisture and lift. And the number of days in the spring that those conditions are present, that is increasing.
Last April, Frank, 3 tornadoes touched down in Minnesota, bringing the total to 12 when combined with this year. So an active spring indeed.
Yeah, very. And that's amazing. I mean, that chunk of ceiling fell right where those women were.
I mean, they had no idea when they were down in that basement how close they were.
Yeah, glad they were on the radar. All right. Thanks, Jeff.